Yo, what's good, fam? Buckle up because I've got some juicy news about the upcoming Xiaomi 16 series, and let me tell you, it's got me hyped. We're talking about phones with some monster batteries and the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. This is going to be a game changer, so let's dive in and break it down like we're just chilling and chatting about tech. Ready? Let's go! Alright, so Xiaomi is dropping 3 new phones in their 16 series, the Xiaomi 16, the Xiaomi 16 Pro, and the Xiaomi 16 Pro Max. And guys, the batteries on these things, insane! The standard Xiaomi 16 is rumored to pack a 7,000 mAh battery. Yeah, you heard that right, 7,000! For comparison, the Xiaomi 15, which is already a solid phone, has a 5,400 mAh battery. That's a huge jump, especially if the Xiaomi 16 keeps that compact, pocket-friendly vibe. I mean, imagine a phone that's easy to carry but lasts like forever on a single charge. I'm already dreaming of days without a charger. Now, the Xiaomi 16 Pro is said to have a 6,300 mAh battery, which is a small step up from the Xiaomi 15 Pro's 6,100 mAh. Not a massive leap, but still solid. And then we've got the big boy, the Xiaomi 16 Pro Max, coming in with a 7,500 mAh battery. Yo, 7,500 mAh? That's like tablet level battery in a phone. You could probably watch Netflix for a week straight and still have juice left. I'm curious, how are they even fitting these batteries in there? Are these phones going to be a little thicker, or are they using some fancy new tech? I'm betting it's something cool like silicon carbon batteries, which can pack more power into less space. Whatever it is, I'm stoked to see it in action. Oh, and here's something interesting. There's a rumor floating around that the Xiaomi 16 Pro might have a screen size closer to the standard model, around 6.3 inches. That's kind of like what Google's doing with the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro, where the Pro isn't necessarily a bigger phone, just a beefier one. So the Xiaomi 16 Pro Max might actually be the true follow-up to the Xiaomi 15 Pro in terms of size and power. I'm like, okay, Xiaomi, what's the game plan here? Either way, that 7,500 mAh battery on the Pro Max has me pumped. Now, let's talk about that Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. This is the next big thing from Qualcomm, and Xiaomi's going to be the first Android brand to slap it into their phones. This chip is probably going to be super fast and power efficient, which is key when you're running a battery this big. I'm thinking these phones are going to fly through apps, games, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. Pair that with these massive batteries, and you've got a phone that's not only powerful, but can keep up with you all day and then some. I'm dying to see some benchmarks. How much faster is this chip going to be compared to last year's chip? But here's the bummer, guys. If you're outside China, you might have to wait a bit to get your hands on these. Xiaomi usually launches in China first, and global releases tend to drop around February or March. So we might be twiddling our thumbs for a few months. Patience, right? It's gonna be worth it though. I can feel it. And yo, Xiaomi is not the only one bringing the heat. The leaker who spilled the beans on this, Yogesh Barar, also mentioned that the vivo X300 Pro might have a 6,500 mAh battery, and the OPPO Find X9 Pro could come with a 7,550 mAh battery. Plus, the OnePlus 15 might rock a 7,000 mAh battery. What is happening? It's like 2025 is the year of gigantic phone batteries. I'm curious, why the sudden jump? Are brands finally listening to us, begging for better battery life? Or is there some new tech making this possible? Either way, I'm all for it. So what do you guys think? Are you hyped for the Xiaomi 16 series? Would you grab one of these battery beasts, or are you waiting to see what else is out there? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're as excited as I am, hit that like button and subscribe so we can keep geeking out over tech together. Until next time, peace out.